Ace Vacuums in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Edmonds Road. You can also find us in Fairfax at 11110 Lee Highway. Talk to you guys. Don't forget to also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as on YouTube. We have a lot of videos, different products we carry, different services we offer, and all that type of stuff. So we get some questions about calls about really, we have a lot of residential vacuums from Shark to Dyson to Ricard. We have Kirby's, we have Miele, we have Simplicity, we have Bissell's, we have all types of stuff. But if you're looking for a really, really heavy duty vacuum, so let's say you own a business and normal vacuums aren't lasting you, you're buying those Walmart specials, and you just want something that's going to last you, that's going to work really good, have good suction, and be able to handle that rough, rugged cleaning, even if you're in construction type of cleaning, or if you have a business, even for your home. If you have lots of animals, young kids, things like that, sometimes are hard on vacuums, and you want something that's really going to work, I suggest getting one of these, which is the commercial Sanitator, the commercial Titan, or the Clean Max Pro Series. These are 3 heavy-duty vacuums that are working really good. We also have the Titan heavy-duty residential vacuum. These are very good vacuums. All of them have HEPA bags, except for this one, it does not take a bag. They're really tough. They have good warranties. They work really good suction. These two have tools. The other heavy-duty Titan residential has tools and attachments. So if you're in the market for really heavy-duty, tough, gritty cleaning, come see us here at Ace Vacuums. We got just the stuff you need. You can give us a call at 703-997-9292, or just visit our website, www.acevacuums.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, hit us up and let us know. Thank you guys and have a great day.